Oh my god, this is so good. Yeah, that's amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. You are here already and I am nourishing myself. Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about the amazing benefits of fermented cabbage, aka sauerkraut. As you can see, I was having a little bite. There you go. I wish you were here so you could have a bite with me. And let me tell you how I did it. So I had really hard time, decisions. Which one should I go for? Should I go for the white one or red one? Well, you know what? I combined both. And you could see it really took nice and red color from the red cabbage. And if you've got something, always the darker color will have more vitamins. So the red one has got more vitamins than the white one, but the white one it's like also very nourishing. And if you like to have really nice pinkish color, you can ferment white cabbage and just put a tiny little bit of red one in it. I think I will try this next time. Now I've got a really nice red color. And let me tell you about the benefits, why you should really use fermented cabbage. So, did you know that fermented cabbage is more than just a tasty addition to your plate? Okay, so how about gut health booster? Fermented cabbage is natural source of probiotics, which are friendly bacteria that support a healthy gut. A happy gut means improved digestion and stronger immune system. And tell me, who wouldn't like to improve their digestion nowadays? So many people suffer with any digestion and gut problems. So this is the reason why you should really add this into your diet. It is rich in nutrition. It's packed with vitamins, C and K especially. It's nutritional powerhouse. These vitamins play a crucial role in supporting your immune system, bone health, and overall well-being. And it is easy on Waistline. Are you looking for a low-calorie, guilt-free snack? Well, look no further. Fermented cabbage is your answer. It's fantastic option if you are looking to maintain a healthy weight. And again, who wouldn't like to maintain a really healthy weight? Who wouldn't like to stay in shape? I think the biggest problem nowadays is with digestion and putting some weight on. So this one, it's really no-brainer. This one can keep you in good shape and healthy. So why wouldn't you go for it? It's a natural preservative. The fermentation process acts as a natural preservative, ensuring longer shelf life without the need for artificial additives. So it's really much better to ferment your own because you exactly know what you are putting into it, and you can say goodbye to unnecessary chemicals. Woohoo! Happy mood, happy food. So, fermented foods, including cabbage, have been linked to improved mental health. You might be thinking, seriously? Well, yes, the gut-brain connection is real, and nourishing your gut with sauerkraut might just put a smile on your face. Woohoo! Go for it! Your taste buds and your body will thank you. And let me tell you what I did. So for every kilo of vegetable, I use 15 grams of salt. In my case, I use Himalayan salt, and I really played with spices this time. So I put some cumin, turmeric, pepper, paprika, and dried nettle seeds for super immune booster. Many people see stinging nettle as weed, but like nettle seeds, they are, oh my gosh, we spend so much money on what we like to believe it's superfood, but we might have it growing in our garden, which we see as a weed. So if you can go for it, gather some nettle seeds and dry them, and you can use them during the season when they are not available, and you can put it everywhere. I put them into so much of my ferments, and I really love this. I will leave in description below a link for my video where I was gathering them, so don't forget to check this out. And also, if you want to do something super good for your gut, you can ferment Jerusalem artichokes. You can see the link in the video above. And Jerusalem artichokes are well known for giving you gas. They are wonderful food for your gut, but many people really struggle, and I was looking for ways how can I eliminate these symptoms, and I fermented Jerusalem artichokes, and most of the gas bubbles go into the fermentation process. So I was really pleased with the result, and if you have them in your garden or somebody gave it to you and you don't know what to do with them, I would go for the fermentation. They are really easy to grow, so you can have a go, and just watch out because they can easily overtake your garden, so give them some border. But if you'd like to do something amazing for your health, go for this. And I can't thank enough to my ceramic fermentation crock. It was such a great purchase, and I've been using this like crazy. And if you are serious, you try a couple of times and you think fermentation is for you, I would really recommend to buy something proper for fermentation, because this was such a great investment, and I had so much fun, so many fermented food. I am really grateful for it. I put the cabbage in food processor, so it's sliced up nicely, and it released a nice liquid which you combine with salt. And the best way to do it, you just work it with your hands, or the traditional method is to work it with your feet, actually stamp on it. Obviously you need to have a clean feet, without saying, but you know, if you are doing something small, your hands are good enough. So really make sure you squeeze it, squash it, so it releases more and more liquid. Combine it with spices if you are going for some spices, and let it sit, let it rest for an hour or so, so it will release more of the juice. Put it in the fermentation crock, and just leave it for 3 weeks time. But obviously everybody's taste is different. Somebody is keen to eat it after 7 days, somebody leave it for 2 weeks. It really depends on the time of the year, on bacteria in your house, on the temperature in your house, on your taste buds. So really go and try, and when it tastes good to you, go for it. Thank you so much for watching, so I can carry on eating this goodness. And let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite combination? What do you usually ferment? what is your favorite cabbage? Is it white one? Is it red one? Or do you do sort of the pinkish version? You mix a bit of white one with a red one. As you can see, this one, it overtaken the lovely red color, so it's amazing. It's so dark, it's so nice, but I can't wait to try the pinkish version as well, just to have a slight color in it. And I hope you find it inspiring. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, spread some love, share with your friends and family, leave me some comments, and thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.